Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to play against bots in Clash Royale. Bot lobbies. Did you know you can actually face bots in Clash Royale, but not by choice? Bots usually appear in early arenas like Arena 3 or 4, where they run weak and predictable decks to help beginners get started. They always show up if you return after a long break, giving you easier matches to ease back in, or during peak-off hours when matchmaking takes too long. Want to increase your chances of facing bots? You can drop trophies on purpose, start a fresh account, or play at odd hours like late at night. But remember, bot farming isn't officially supported, and using exploits can risk your account. At the end of the day, bots are fun for quick wins, but only real players will help you level up your skills into higher arenas. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.